Hi everyone, this is Dr. Khalid Arshad from Abid Inamdar Senior College, Azam Campus, Pune.
The chapter number 2, the initial part of this chapter, that is individual determinants of organizational behavior. In that we are going to understand today individual behavior and personality. 2 points we are going to understand. So first we will understand what individual behavior is and how it is shaped. Simply how a person behaves, how reacts to things, that creates individual behavior. So a behavior is outcome how people responds to the environment, to the surrounding, that is behavior, and it is shaped because of that person's perception about thing, that person's feeling and that understanding about that things. So behavior is shaped because of first environment and second is from the individual. That environment and individual, they come under one behavior and that results into outcome of action of that person. Now this is simply we can say behavior can also be explained as knowledge of a person plus action, that can be explained as behavior. If a person is having knowledge about something and on that knowledge how that person is having action, that results into behavior. For an example, you know that traffic signal, if it is red, so you don't have to jump it. That is the knowledge, that if signal is red you don't have to jump it. But if you are crossing that signal in red light, that means your behavior is towards that direction, maybe you can call it negative. Or if you are waiting so that it can become green and you will cross the signal, then this is your behavior. So knowledge plus action, these two things create the behavior. Now we will understand personality and its traits. So every personality is having 5 traits. First is openness, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness and neuroticism. Now we will understand how these traits are defined. Simply first is openness. Those people who have major part of openness in their personality, they simply likes to explore things, they want to know things, they want to understand things. So they are normally creative, they are curious, and simply they don't they have one thing, that they don't like changes, they do not enjoy a new thing, but they want to try to understand new thing. So when it is low, so one side, if it is low, people do not like changes, and when it is high, people like the change, they are creative and open. So this is what is called openness. Second is conscientiousness. It is simply how people, we can say how they are thoughtful, how they make their mindset about thing, how they analyze thing and decide about thing, how they make a point about thing. If it is high, they spend time in preparing, they spend time in they finish an important task right away, they don't post things to do it later, they pay attention to details and enjoy having a set of schedule. Next is extroversion. Extroversion simply can be told as a personality trait characterized by excitability, sociability, and talkativeness, assertiveness, and high amounts of emotional expressiveness. So people having extraversion at high level, they will enjoy being in the center of attention. They likes to start the conversation. They enjoy meeting new people. They has a wide social circle of friends and acquaintances. They find it easy to make new friends, and these features like that extraversion feature are there in those people. Then agreeableness. Agreeableness is simply we can say this personality is about attributes such as trust, kindness, affection, and social behaviors. We can say pro-social behaviors. So those people who are having high agreeableness feature in their personality, that high agreeableness trait in their personality, they have has a great deal of interest in other people, they cares about other, they feel empathy and concern for other people. So this is what is extroversion, agreeableness. And next is neuroticism. Neuroticism is a personality trait characterized by sadness, moodiness, and emotional instability. So people who are having high neuroticism, they experience mood swings. If it is high, they experiences lot of stress, worries about many different things, gets upset easily, experiences dramatic shifts in mood, feels anxious. So these are some of the features of these personality traits. Personality traits are very important to understand, because once we understand the personality of a person, accordingly we can take tasks from people, accordingly we can assign tasks to those persons, and we can have a productive work from those people with right personality in right department. So that's why it is extremely important for every organization to understand personality traits of its employees and when hiring new people in the organization.
Thank you so much for paying attention and have a wonderful time ahead.